Welcome back students to grammar class. Hope you watched a video I sent previously. Let's move on to part 2 of lesson number 10, adjectives, degrees of comparison. In this video, I'm going to explain to you when to use little, few, much and many. Before that, we have to understand what are countable and uncountable nouns. So what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are the ones which we can count. Therefore, they can be used in a plural form. The nouns which you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, those nouns are known as countable nouns. Example, candles, flowers, grapes, bricks, animals. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns can't be counted and can only be used in a singular form. Example, rice, milk, sugar, oil, juice, paint, etc. So when to use much and when to use many? Much and many are used to express that there is a large quantity of something. So many is used with countable nouns and much is used with uncountable nouns. You have to keep this in mind. Many for countable, much for uncountable. Let's take some example. CDs. CDs is a countable noun. So we will put many before CD. I don't have many CD in my collection. Money. Money is considered to be uncountable noun. If it was rupees or dollars, then you would have considered it as countable noun. But whenever money word comes, you have to take it as uncountable noun. So we place much before many. Brothers are countable noun, so many. How many brothers do you have? Milk is an uncountable noun, so is there much milk in the fridge? Let's move on. When to use few, when to use little. We use few and little to suggest a small quantity or not much of something. Few is used with countable nouns. Little is used with uncountable nouns. So few for uncountable nouns, little for uncountable nouns. Example, I would like a little milk for my coffee. Milk is an uncountable noun, so little milk. Friends, countable, so few friends. There are few honest politicians. Politicians can be counted, so few honest politicians. There is little hope of finding your wallet. Hope, uncountable noun, so little hope. They have very little knowledge about politics. Knowledge is uncountable noun, so little knowledge. Take your textbook to exercise J, fill in the blanks. I have dash work to do. Now work cannot be counted, so it is considered as uncountable noun. I have much work to do. Can you spare dash money? If you remember, I told you money should be considered as a uncountable noun. So, can you spare a little money? The child has already shown dash progress. Progress also cannot be counted. So, the child has already shown much progress. Mona has dash friends than you. Friends can be counted. So, Mona has fewer friends than Ritu. We needed dash more people to complete the work. People can be counted. So, we needed a few more people to complete the work. Hope children you understood. Keep the basic rules, many and few for countable nouns, much and little for uncountable nouns. Keep this in mind and you can solve all the blanks given in the textbook. Thank you.